Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all healthy dinner options for weight loss. You can eat these dinner options in winter season, summer season, spring, any season. They're wonderful to eat and they're too delicious and very filling. With the help of these dinner options, I can guarantee you that you can easily reduce 5 to 6 kgs in just 20 days or 22 days. They're very delicious and very easy to make. So without any delay, let's get started with the recipes of the dinner options. The first dinner option that I personally love is black chana chaat. Now it is very easy to prepare and very protein rich dinner option, for which what you have to do is boil black chana or black grams. After boiling them, strain them and let's prepare the salad. For what we'll have to do is, in a bowl, add chopped onions, chopped cucumber, chopped tomatoes, some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder, some pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper powder and other seasonings of your own choice. You can also add some finely chopped green chilies for taste and coriander leaves. Add the boiled black chana and to it add lemon juice and enjoy your black chana chaat. It is so healthy and nutritious and you will love having this dinner option. Now you can also replace your black gram or black chana with rajma in it. Now just boil rajma and in a bowl similarly add chopped veggies, that is cucumber, onion and tomatoes, some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder, green chilies chopped, lemon juice and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Add to this boiled rajma and you're good to go. This dinner option is very rich in dietary fiber and definitely helps you stay fuller for a longer time of the night. Now, the next delicious dinner option is dhokla. Dhokla is very healthy in each and every form. It is steamed and not at all fried or something, and very quickly it is prepared. Now, you can have 2 to 3 pieces of dhokla. It is made up of besan, that is ground flour, and you can add seasonings of your own choice. The recipe to making a delicious instant dhokla is in the description box below. You can prepare it very easily at your home and in only 10 minutes. So as your healthy dinner option, enjoy 2 to 3 pieces of freshly made steamed dhokla. Now, another one of my favorite dinner options is jowar uttapam. It is very easy to prepare and it is so nutritious in each and every form. When I eat jowar uttapam as my dinner option, I can actually see the difference in 2 to 3 days in my body, as it is so healthy and removes water retention or bloating from your body very quickly. Preparing jowar uttapam is very easy. It requires only 10 minutes of your time, for which you have to do is, in a bowl add jowar flour, some rice flour, salt and mix it well. Add boiling water to this dry mixture and make a lump-free smooth paste. Now you can add green chilies, ginger, onions, coriander leaves to this batter and mix it very well. The consistency of the batter should be very easy to spread, so make sure it is not too thick, not too dilute. Now take a non-stick pan and as you would prepare your another besan chilla or any other dosa on a pan, similarly you have to do the trick with jowar uttapam as well. Now on a pan, just add few drops of desi ghee or olive oil to it and pour a ladle full of batter onto the pan and spread it evenly in a circular shape. Let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes and when done, flip it over and cook it well the other side as well until it's golden brown. Your hot jowar uttapam is ready to have. You can have it with coconut chutney or with green chutney as well. And it is so delicious and very nutritious in each and every form. You can have up to 2 to 3 jowar uttapas and enjoy your dinner. Now, instead of having black chana or rajma chaat, if you do not like to have that, you can also have pan roasted rajma or black chana. Now, all you have to do to prepare this is, in a pan, add 1 spoon of desi ghee. To this, add freshly chopped green chilies, ginger paste, cumin seeds, that is jeera seeds, some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder and some garam masala, and to this add the boiled black chana and your delicious roasted black chana will be ready. Just sort them up for at least 5 minutes and they are good to go. They are too spicy and too yummy to have and very filling. Similarly, you can do the trick with rajma as well. Instead of black chana, you can add rajma to it as well, or you can also add both. They are so delicious and it gives you a different flavor. So enjoy these delicious dinner options which are very healthy and promote weight loss, definitely are very filling and nutritious in each and every manner. So enjoy the dinner options and let me know in the comment section below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes. Do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. To watch this video in Hindi, click the description box below and watch it now. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.